everyone, welcome to Varna Garden. I'm Vandana. As you all know, I love growing plants from seeds, and in today's video I want to share my learnings. I've had so many failures and I wish someone had told me these things, or at least I had researched, which I didn't. So in case you're just starting off your journey of growing plants from seeds, please do have a look at this video because I'm sharing all my failures and I hope you wouldn't have to fail. I started my gardening journey back in 2019. So I kind of joke and say I'm like this pre-pandemic plant parent. So I did all the mistakes that entire year. So I have lots of learnings to share. So please do stick around till the end of the video. The first thing that I did was, okay, I'm going to buy seeds. So I went to Amazon, went to the gardening category, and that the seed category, and then the flower category because I love flowering plants. So click sort by low to high and just look at which were the cheapest seeds or which I think I could afford, which I didn't feel was too much out of my budget. And just based on the flower, the picture, I just added a lot of them to cart and started my journey that way. That's, I think, the biggest mistake. When you go to Amazon and you're buying seeds from Amazon, I think it's extremely important to know which season seeds you're buying. I made that mistake. I didn't know whether I'm growing a summer growing one or a winter growing one. So they will not grow. They might germinate, but as they grow, the seedlings, they'll immediately die based on the weather. So very important, research about the seeds that you want to grow. Most common flowering plants or vegetables would take about 3 months, 90 days, let's say, to harvest. Some definitely much more earlier. But for the purpose of this video, let's say 3 months. So when you sow the seed, let's say a summer sowing one, a summer flowering seed means it blooms during summer months. So you cannot sow a summer seed at the beginning of winter because it requires sunlight in such an effect that it will bloom. So plan your timing in such a way that in 3 months time it should still be summer for the flower to bloom. So let's say it's July right now. So if I sow seeds now, in 3 months time it's the beginning of winter. So general rule of thumb, heuristics, you don't buy summer sowing seeds right now because you will not get the blooms because it's almost the end of summer and winter is beginning. So what do you do now? Look at winter sowing seeds. Winter seeds are winter sowing seeds and they will also bloom during winter. So winter usually is classified end of October, beginning of November. It's cooler. So October, November, December, January, you can consider January also because February, March are almost spring ones. So winter sowing seeds will also bloom in winter. So if you take 3 months time, okay, 2.5 to 3 months time, you will still be able to see the blooms in winter month itself. So plan your sowing again. So if you're going to sow winter sowing seeds in, let's say, fag end of January or early February, trying to squeeze in, okay, winter, it's still kind of little cold. The plant will also require 2 or 3 months to grow, right? So it's already summer by the time. So you have to start your winter seeds much earlier. So August 15th is when I'm going to start my winter seeds. So I'm going to sow my winter seeds. So to again know which are winter seeds, which are summer growing seeds, just do a Google search. Just say hi to Raji. Okay. Sorry for that. What was I saying? So summer seeds. Zinnia, sunflower, balsam, and gomprina. 4 of them I can think of. There are much more. I list them in the description, or I list them in the video so you can see. So these are summer sowing seeds. They'll also bloom in summer. And winter ones are petunias. Oh, they're so beautiful. Petunias, cineraria, and which else? Oh, there are so many, I can't think of them right now. So when you're buying seeds, it's important to know which are summer and winter sowing so that you will have great results.